G'day guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to our Places in Western Australia clickable map. Now, a lot of viewers of the channel will be aware that we've got a clickable map for our videos, but we're also now developing a clickable map for all the web pages on our main website. And this is going to make it very easy for you to flick around different places and see what information we've got available on each one. Now, this is the main map. You will note that we do include Christmas Island and Cocos Keeling, because they are under Western Australian governance. But we also have all these things on the mainland, and I'm about halfway through this at the moment as I'm recording this video, so there's going to be a lot more than this by the time I'm finished. At the moment I'm up to the letter N, so we have quite a few more to go. So how this works, when you hop onto the map, it will appear to you as it looks here, and it should have all of the different sites listed. So you have towns in blue, you have places of interest in orange, and you have campsites in green. And you'll see on the side here you have a little legend, and you can expand each one of these. So if you're looking for a particular town, you can open this up, flick through and click on whatever you're interested in, and it's going to then take you down to that town. And from here, this is the link to the website. So as soon as you click on that, you can switch to the website, and the website page is going to pop up, and then you can read all the information we've got about that particular town, which gives you a description, history of the town, tall tales and true if there are any, a map of the area, any videos we have available from that area, other information, may give you some attractions, buildings of note, electoral zones and other bits and pieces that we add in there. And it does have a photograph section at the end, and some of our pages still have photos, but as you can see at the top here, there's a message that says, due to ongoing technical problems, we are getting rid of most of our gallery pages. It's just simply because the system we had for it stopped working, and I really don't have the time to go through at the moment and recreate all these. So there will be a few that still work, but the great majority of them are not working anymore. I may get round to doing something about that eventually, but I'm not going to guarantee it because it's a lot of work. So for the moment, if you're looking for pictorial information on the places, just hop into the video, and if there's a video on the place, and for most of our places now there is, you can play the video from here. Now you can see on the side here we have statistics on the place, services available, and their phone numbers. If there's any accommodation, we have a timeline of events, and you can just have a brief look at some information on dates. So that is what you'll be sent to from the clickable map. Now to get back to the map, simply close the window and you come back to the map. Now if you don't want to go through the legend side of it here, and you just want to look around on the map, and as you can see we've got towns, places of interest and campsites. If you just want to look around the map and see what's available, you can just zoom in and have a look at our little markers and just go, well, what's that? Okay, that's Hyde Park. You can flick over to the Hyde Park page and see what information we've got available on it. And that's the way the clickable map works. It's very simple. It just allows you easy access to all of our website pages, or it will once I've finished it anyway. And you can explore the state and just click on whatever you like. If you want to have a look at whatever campsites are around, it will of course give you the name of the site, and always look for this link here under description, and that's always the one that's going to take you to our website. And you can then go through the information there. Because this is a campsite, it's got information on what facilities are available, and then you've got more detailed information on it down here, and if there's a video available, that will be on the page as well. So that's just a quick overview of how this clickable mapping system works. And as I say, I'm about halfway through adding all these places at the moment, and within the next couple of weeks I think we'll have it all finished, and you'll be able to see via a clickable map everything we've got available on the website, which really makes it a lot easier to access. So I hope you find this useful, and if you like what we're doing here, please click like on the video, and if you like the channel, please subscribe. It all goes to helping us with the YouTube algorithm, gets us noticed more. We are approaching 10,000 subscribers. It might sound good, but we've been here for over 16 years. It's taken a long time to get there. Hope you've enjoyed having a look at this little resource that we're building. Hope to see you back here again on Saturday for our usual weekly video. Thanks for watching. See ya.